Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about new scenario. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on different technologies like SQL Server development, performance tuning, and Power BI DAX, and also integration services. Now we'll try to understand what's today requirement. So today, as for today's requirement, this is the input table, this is the expected output. So how to display this expected output from this input table, we'll try to understand today's video. For that, we'll try to go to the SQL Server Management Studio. There we can understand today's video demo. So for timing, already I have prepared the script. I'll try to explain each and every step. What I have done here is, first of all, we'll try to execute table. So for today's demo purpose, I have using the test table. In that only I have one column only, that is color, and also I have few rows of dummy data. We'll try to execute one by one. Just click on execute. So the inserts has been successfully executed. Now I will try to file a select statement. Select star from test. Now you can see that 4 rows are there: red, blue, green, orange. Okay. Now, so what I am written here is I am using the cross join, but before in doing that, so I am trying to use a row number for each row wise. Okay, here I have written the row number function. So each row wise I am just adding the row number. Just click on execute. Now you can see that. So basically my table contains 4 rows. That is the reason we got the 4 rows. Same thing here also, 4 rows. Okay. So this is the derived table B and this is the derived table A. So what I'm doing is I'm doing cross join between the table A and table B. Okay, I'm applying the cross join between the table A and table B. So now I'll try to execute and we will see the what output we'll try to get. So I'll try to make it clear. Now you can see the table A is iterating, so table A looping all the rows in the table B. Now you can see that. So blue color has been iterating all the rows in the table B, and also green color same thing, orange color same thing, and red color also same thing. But it is returning all the rows. But as for my requirement, I need to restrict a few rows only. So in that case, as for my requirement, I want only these 3 rows only: red versus blue, red versus green, red versus orange. So in that case, from the table A, I want only 4, and the table B, I don't want 4. Because if I put table A is equal to 4 means we'll get red also. So in that case, I don't want this row. So in that case, I'll try to eliminate. So this row number also. We'll try to see that is. So just click on here what I'm running, where table A number is equal to 4 and table B number not equal to 4. In that case, we'll get only the table A 4 and table B 1 2 3 only. Okay, now we can see that red versus blue, red versus green, red versus orange. Okay, so this output achieved by using the derived table concept. Same thing we can replicate into the CTE also, common table expression. We'll try to see this. So okay, this is one table. So this is the one CT underscore first. This is the second CT underscore second. So finally I'm just using the cross join. Okay, from the CT first and CT second, I'm applying the cross join. So and finally I'm just restricting whatever the records I want. So first I will execute without where condition, and we'll see whether it is giving correct output in the common table expression also. Just click on execute. Okay, something wrong. Okay, where it is. Yeah, it's giving fine. So same output here also. We need to restrict only the, I think, these 4 rows only we want, and finally we need to restrict this row. Okay, so as for our requirement, we want only these 4 rows, but red versus red we don't want that. Only the red versus blue, red versus green, red versus orange. So for that, Again I am writing where condition, where table A, I mean table A in the sense here CT first and table B in CT second. Okay, if I write condition like this, we'll get the expected output. Okay, red versus blue, red versus green, red versus orange. Okay, likewise, so we can achieve this output. So whether we can write it by using common table expression, or we can by writing derivative table expression. So whatever it is comfortable, we can write it. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.